respected teacher, honorable chief guest, and my dear friends. I am Harshita Wage from class 9. Today I am here to share my thoughts on what is success. According to me, success is a hard work. Hard work means success, success means hard work. If we want to be successful, we want to do hard work. Because hard work is the key of success. For everyone, definition of success is something else. Someone's goal is to become a doctor, or someone's goal is to become an engineer. So everyone's goal is different, so everyone's hard work should be also different. If we did so many mistakes in our career, we did so many mistakes. We should not give up, we should learn from our mistakes, because our mistakes is our best teacher. This is well said that success is a journey, not a destination, and we are a journey. We want to do so much hard work to achieve our goal. If we fail at first, we should not give up. We should try again. If we fail at twice, we should not give up, try again. And everyone will achieve success. We should do our hard work till achieve the success. Success is when your autograph convert into when your signature convert into an autograph for a word. That time it means that you are a successful person. In the path of success there is total darkness. Darkness means problems, obstacles. If we can solve our problems, obstacles, if we can went from that path, dark path, there is a pretty bright light for us. It means our success is done. If we can achieve our goal, we can do so many things. To achieve success, we want to do so many sacrifices. We want to give our total devotion. We should not give up our passion because of our success, because of our goal. We should not give up our passion. We should try again and try. Thank you.
Respected class teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on how to achieve success in our life. Everyone wants to become a successful person in our life. Everyone has a dream of becoming successful and rich person in our life. For success, there is a good saying that success is a journey, not a destination. So, for a great success, we have to do hard work. We have patience, perseverance, and lot of struggle. For success, we have to think always positively and do not give up of our hope. We should not compare ourselves with any person in the world. Success is not depend on what we have and what we not have. Later, take example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in poor family, but he struggled a lot. Take interest in astrological movements, and now he was became the great scientist of India. He was made president of he was become great president of India from 2002 to 2027. Again, we take example of Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is born in poor family. He live in a one room of a house. He has not enough sources to study, but he struggle a lot. In their success path, many obstacles came, but he ignored that and struggle a lot and do hard work, take interest on electronic softwares, and now he was a CEO of a big company, that is Google. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I share my thoughts on how to achieve success in life. Success is important to everyone's life. Everyone has a dream of successful human being in life. There are good saying that success is journey, not a destination. If we know that success is the human being of realized person, truthfulness, the statement of the success is definition, they are not perfect, then everyone person has different. For child, 6 is to puzzle solve for the SSC. For man, there is good saying get contract, and for grandparents success, there are whole family happy and rich, wealthy, etc. First, the success is the key of journey. If many steps of success we can follow. First of all, you will set our goal, means you want to be the planning and execution of the plan. Example, Ambani, Adani, etc. Thank you.
One purpose. Everyone wants it, but everyone is not really passionate about their goals. And they want to achieve everything easily. But you think that the way of success is easy? No, it's not. There are so many obstacles in the way. And sometimes we may fail, but at that time, without losing patience, without giving up, with patience and sacrificing something, we have to turn our attention again towards our goals. Hard work is the key to success. Success needs hard work. Maybe you think that so many times. It is true. Hard work is the key to success. And success needs hard work. Swami Vivekananda said that concentration is the key to success. We can't do anything without it. Normal people waste their 90% part of thinking power and do lots of mistakes. But any man as well as mine never do those mistakes. At last, I want to tell you, success is the journey, not the destination. You are the journeyer, and patience, planning, hard work is the way. Now cheer up yourself and be prepared for the journey. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning. Honorable chief guest, respectable teachers and my dear friends. I am Krish Rajaliyar from 9th. I tell you my thoughts about how to achieve success in life. Success is very important in everyone's life. Everyone has a dream to becoming successful human beings in life. Everyone wants to become a rich and successful life. We get success to follow many steps. The first step is to decide we are and what are we want to be. Plan is very important. Our getting successful life. For a great success, we need lot of confidence, patience, knowledge, perseverance, and hard work. We should not waste our time, because time is money. We always thinking positively. I take example of successful humans. He is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is cricket player. We start our career in 16 years for cricket. He is failed 10 class, but we not. But thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and my dear friend, I am Aryavika Sene from class 9F. Today I want to share my thoughts thoughts about how to achieve success. So my dear friend, success is a very important in everyone's life. Success is everyone has a dream to become a successful people, successful human being in our life. There is a would say that success is a journey, not a destination. We are look at all successful people. The definition of a success is a different for everyone. The success, the child success, for a child the success is a solve a more puzzle. For a SSC student, the success is a get a more mark. For a businessman, success is a get more contact. For a grandparent, the success is a see whole family together. Whole family together. For a great success, we have a lot of confidence, patience, perseverance, and hard work. We should always think positive. And never give up hope. The meaning of impossible, that is I am possible if destination complete with the three D's are determination, dedication, and devotion. We should learn from our own mistake. We should follow footsteps of all successful people like Michael Faraday. He was born in poor family and do not get educated, but still they are becoming a great scientist. So my friends, hard work and achieve your goals. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher, and my dear friends, myself Dhanashri Borkar from class 9-10. Today I am going to speak on how to achieve success in life. I request all of you to listen to me carefully. Friends, success is very important in everyone's life. Everyone has a dream of becoming a great, successful human being in life. Everyone wants to become rich and successful in life. To achieve success, there are many steps which are to be followed. First of all, we have to set our goal, means what we are and what we want to be. So proper plan and execution of the plan are very important for a great success. We need a lot of confidence, patience, knowledge, perseverance, and hard work. We should not waste our time. Don't compare yourself with any other person in the world. If you do, so you are demeaning yourself. We should always think positively and never give up hope. Always remember that the word impossible means I am possible, and if destiny is accompanied with the three D's, determination, dedication, and devotion, then everything becomes possible. After all, no gains without pains. The great people saying that the successful people do not do different things, they do things differently. So proper hard work continuously. God blessings are always there with you. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher, and my dear friend, I am Janvi Borkar from class 9. Today I am going to speak on how to achieve success in life. Success is very important thing in everyone's life. Everyone has a dream to become a successful person. There is good saying that success is journey, not a destination. To achieve ambition, there are many steps which are to be followed. First of all, we have to set our goals. For that, planning is very important. For a great success, we need a lot of confidence, patience, knowledge, hard work, and perseverance. We should not waste our time because time is a money. The main thing is we should not think negative. We should think positive and never give up. We should learn from our mistakes. We should follow the footsteps of great and successful people like APJ Abdul Kalam, Adani, Ambani, etc. There is great saying that successful people do not do different things, they do things differently. So my friends, work hard continuously. God blessings are always there with you. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear friends, I am Vandana Pradeep Heda terminal days. It is achievement of goals. In life, we all have our dreams and goals. We want to achieve something great, something special in our life. The key of making those dreams come true is the hard work. Success is an immediate thing that we require in any work that we do in our life. The meaning of a success is see your goals, understand the obstacles, create positive mental picture, clear your mind of a self-review, embrace the challenge, stay on a track, and show the world you can do it. And show the world you can do it. One who useful, successful person, he use his time properly to achieve his goals. Achieving a success requires a lot of motivation, dedication, passions, time management, positive thinking, etc. Nothing is impossible. The word is possible because the meaning of the impossible is I am possible. So we do hard work and get a success because everything is possible. Thank you.